Ate. Oh, ate. Congratulations. Bigyan. Kita.
A few moments.
Letter 2, letter. Ha? Sumpa ako. Love letter ito. Babasahin mo ng maayos, ha? Ha?
Malakas, ha?
Malakas. Hindi ka sisigaw kasi mapalayasin tayo. O dito muna, tapos step by step lang hanggang sumakses, okay?
Dear Madam Faye, Shim Shim Shim, Happy Recognition Day. We're very happy and proud of you with our high honors, Madam Faye. Thank you for always doing your best in school. Always enjoy learning and keep your feet on the ground. Be humble and good all the times. Thank you for always listening to us. Always remember that all the things we've been telling you is for your own good. We're always telling you every morning that, Faye, ayusin mo buhay mo. Well, that's for you and keep that in mind. This is time for you to know our biggest surprise. Are you ready? Are you excited? Really? Really? Are you surprised for you? Was planned last December 2024, even before our announcement of honors. Even noticed the 9 scores in Filipino. We're glad that you follow the pieces of advice. No screen time, no cell phone, almost 3 weeks, but you see, the outcome is great, right? Here we are wearing the fruit of your hard work and perseverance. Congratulations, Madam Faye. Are you ready for our surprise? But before that, we wish you an advance happy birthday to our amazing Faye. We hope that your day be filled with joy, laughter, and everything we love. You are our baby that we wish we'll still have. We hope that you will grow happy, contented, and successful in the future. Happy times may come and go, however, best childhood memories stay in a lifetime. So we'll ask you. So now we'll ask you if you're ready for our surprise. If yes, jump 3 times.
Jump 3 times daw. Jump 3 times. Ready ka? Oh, jump 3 times.
Aray ko.
Jump ya. 1, 2, 3. Pinagod. Okay. Ngayon, basa ka na dito. Ayusin mo. Lakasan mo.
We just wanted to say that we're going to Hong Kong and Macau, where it will definitely be one of the best memories we have. Go back to
Yay! Bago pa. Tagilyo pa. Hindi dyan mo sabi?
Joke lang yun. Yun yung surprise doon. Joke lang.
Alright. Ayan na.
Hindi po sa ilalim, isa pa.
Ha?
Isa pa. Sa ilalim ito.
Ito mo.
Ano ito?
Oh, Disney. Ano? Kaya pa? Wow! Grabe naman yan! Mukhang may pang ano ka na, baon ka na. Ay, open mo daw.
Skyflix yan. Skyflix yan.
Uy, dami.